Hey, what's up? I'm just hanging out with my buddy. We're working on his 2018 Duramax 2.8 liter. And I'm sure if you own one of these, you know about the TSB, about the wire chafing. But this thing was having all kinds of issues from the 4x4 light.
4x4, diff, lockers, traction control, everything.
The truck would randomly run the starter. It would die on the road. All kinds of crazy stuff. Throwing like all these kind of lights, and turned out to be this main wire harness right here. You kind of see it go, it snakes back around the engine there. It was chafing on, we think, that hose clamp right there. So to get to this, you got to take your fuse box out, which is right here. Took our intake tube off. We had to kind of disconnect the harness from a bunch of other hoses and stuff. And then you can see we're just repairing wood butt connectors because it's really hard to get in there and solder. So this is just what we chose to do. And you can see how bad some of the wires were. I mean, it was way worse. I mean, we were seeing wires like they were arcing up against each other, arcing up against the frame, the clamp. There was probably like 8 wires total that were damaged, wreaking all kinds of havoc. So if you're having those type of issues, you might want to check that out.